In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the sheet ID in Smartsheet. Knowing your sheet ID is really important if you work with integrations, automations, or the Smartsheet API. It's the unique identifier that tells Smartsheet exactly which sheet you're referring to, and once you know where to find it, it only takes a few seconds. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can quickly grab the sheet ID whenever you need it. First, open the Smartsheet workspace and navigate to the specific sheet you're interested in. Make sure the sheet itself is open, not just selected in a folder or workspace list. You should see the familiar grid view or whatever view you last used for that sheet. At the very top left of your Smartsheet window, look for the main menu bar. There you'll see an option labeled File. Go ahead and click on File. This is where Smartsheet keeps a lot of the sheet level settings and details, including the information we need. When you click File, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for the option called Properties, with an ellipsis at the end. This is the place where Smartsheet stores key details about your sheet, like its name, owner, created date, and, most importantly for us, the sheet ID. Click on Properties to open the Properties window. A new dialog box or panel will pop up on your screen showing the sheet's properties. Take a moment to look over what's there so you're familiar with it. You should see various fields with information about the sheet. Among these fields, look for the one labeled Sheet ID. Once you've located the Sheet ID field, click into it or hover over it so you can clearly see the full value. This is a long numeric or alphanumeric string that uniquely identifies your sheet. If you're planning to use this in an integration, a script, or an API call, you can now select that sheet ID and copy it to your clipboard. That's all there is to it. Open your sheet, go to the File menu, open Properties, and then find and copy the sheet ID. Keep this value somewhere secure and organized, especially if you'll be using multiple sheets in your workflows. Now you'll be able to plug it into any tool or automation that asks for a Smartsheet sheet ID.